boys, today I'm going to be going and investigating some Looksmaxxing Discord servers. I've heard a lot of weird stuff about these Discord servers. People are a bit... I've also made a fake account as a girl, and I'm going to go in and see if I can try and troll some people. What would you like notification? Mog battles? The frick is a mog battle? You get pinned to decide who mogs... Do you, Mog, prove yourself worthy by participating in this year's summer tournament? Compete your fellow Looksmaxxers in order to win the grand. Let's see what's in this Looksmaxxing server. What do people do here? There's 20,000 members, by the way. Looksmax progress. Let's see. Yo, the bro posted a before and a before. Where's the after, bro? Let's try and conversate with some of these interesting species. I have been feeling hella insecure. Yo, yeah, let's see. LTB. What does LTB mean? Long live the king? What does LTB mean? Huh? What? Yo! SYFM. What does that mean? What does SYFM mean? Oh, okay. Send me your picture. I'll send it here. I'm gonna send this one. Yeah. Bro, what is going on here? Yo! What? Yo, let's see. No! Don't snitch! No! Okay, just ignore it. No! Oh shit. Okay, well, we done messed up. I got banned! What? I got banned! How? What did I do? Oh my god! What did I do? Oh my god, I got banned! Oh my god, the snitch, bro! Yo, what the heck? Why does dude's face look so incomplete? Yo, this dude's face looks so easy to draw. Damn, bro. Leave some oxygen for us, bro. Oh, heck no. Dog. You had beef with your barber. I don't know what you guys were doing, but this is his way of repaying you back, bro. I'm taking any advice. Let's go. Okay. You're feminine. Test max, you fat. Damn. Rate and Looksmaxxing tip. Reincarnate. Yo, this server's brutal, bro. What is going on? Rate my ascension, please, within a year span. What? I don't, am I tripping? I don't see a difference. Yo, I swear, people who do this Looksmaxxing on this sort of level, like this autistic, you guys are placebo or you guys are autistic, bro. One of the two. Dog, there's literally no difference. What do you mean ascension? What, are you supposed to be flying in the sky or something? Oh my god, look at the amount of comments a girl's photo got compared to a dude. People are so thirsty. Let's see what they say. Bro, what the? Yo, I'm gonna read this. Hold on. Oh shoot! Wait, this is a real go. Wait, hold on. This is a real ass go. This is like an incel server. There's real ass goes in here. Oh shoot! There's a real ass. Bro, what is goes doing in this server? For rate and advice, you need to send side profile and front profile. Also, makeup is only lowering your ratings. Holy cornball, you're Indian. Mid tier B, I would say. Shut the f up, Indian shit. What? Yo. Oh my god. This dude is such a loser, bro. Whoa! Oh my god. Yo! All I need is a nose job. Your nose looks fine, you ungrateful bro. Ooh. Let's see how thirsty people are on the server. MTB, mid-tier. Oh, okay, that's what I mean. These guys are rating her low, bro. They know for a fact they're not gonna get a chance with her. People are genuinely sending the stuff like, dog. Skin maxing, I guess. I mean, the proportions are mid-low. PSL. What the frick does what is a PSL? Pumpkin spice latte. What the what? Also, so far, if you enjoyed this video, definitely leave a like and subscribe because we hit 10k subs. That's huge, man. Let's get to 100k. So, hey, if you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe because I'm gonna be posting more bangers. I get it. David Lade, when he was skinny, had normal to narrow clavicles. I don't know what that word is. If you're under 18, just grow. High and test max.
Bruh.
What the fuck? Bro, they pick any word and then just add max in front of it. I don't know. Oh, you got a small dick, just penis max. Oh, you're adopted, just orphan max. I have okay facial features, but a prominent nose bump. Should I get rhinoplasty? The heck is a rhinoplasty? Is also known as a nose job. What? Bro, and you're not even showing your nose. What is this? Who is he thirst trapping? What is going on? Oh, okay, I see the nose there. Okay, yeah, your ass needs more than a rhinoplasty, my boy. Ah, damn, bro, looking like straight out of Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. How much of a calorie deficit should I create? I'm 14 years old, 80 kilos. Bro, there's 14-year-olds asking to go on a cut? What? First of all, how are you 80 kilos and 14? That's crazy. Why do people want to cut when you're 14? You don't even, your penis hasn't even grown yet. People are taking this serious. Oh, they're fully posting their like family. Look at him. He don't even want to be here. Oh my God. What? These are 14-year-old kids, bro. What? Use Vaseline. What? Bro, I can't even tell them because my eyelid exposure is so low. They touch my eyebrow. Why are you so autistic that you have to do all this? Brother, just live life. Live how God made you. Don't gotta like do all this weird stuff. Don't tell me people are sitting there practicing this stuff. You're telling me you're sitting there. You're practicing this. What? If I was a girl and if some dude started doing this on a date, bro, I would literally pepper spray him in the eye, bro. Bro, there's actual goals in this server. How's that goals in this server? How do I fix my side profile with my jaw? Fix what? Bro, fix what? What is bro trying to fix? Dog, you're a 14-year-old kid. What are you trying to fix? Don't you play Roblox? How do we go from 14-year-olds literally playing Fortnite to this? How do we do this? They have a problem with anything. What do you mean lose fat on your face? Bro, there's no fat there. How do these people have a problem with everything? I'm 42 kilos. That's what I'm saying. There's no fat, bro. Get mugged. I wouldn't touch you with a stick. That's why you're mad. Ooh. I would slap you, Lo. Slap your ass, maybe. That'll help you lose some weight. Bro, this is what I'm telling you, bro. These servers are so down bad, bro. Everyone's just defending the girl. I'm talking from experience. All my friends have fire build just from genetics. Proof. Oh my. But these people are so horny. They're so desperate whenever they see a girl. Even if the girl doesn't like show her face, you never know. It might be a burner account. These people are so desperate, bro. People actually sending videos. Being a female is so much more fun. Being a man is nice. Wanking feels so nice until after you feel like a pig. Let me actually see if I can get an honest rating from these people. Bruh. I'm gonna see if they can actually give me an honest rating, okay? I'm finna send a photo of me. Let's see what these weirdos say. From what I've seen so far, bro, everyone has a problem with anything. Even if you send like a chat, they're like, oh, bro, you need to canval tilt your nutsack in your mouth or something. Okay, I sent these two photos. Let's see what people say. Oh, we're getting a rating. Hold on. Let's see. Oh, we get it to... Calm down, low to mid. Bruh. Okay, buddy. Mid-tier dick. What is making me mid-tier dick? Alright, let's see. You're too happy. Bro, what? Bro, what is that even supposed to mean? Oh my God, this is so cool. Bad eye area. What the I'm just looking at negative Bab Zog. What the frick is a Zog, bro? Yo, I can't. These servers are so cool, bro. You seem to have inner light, though. What? Yo, I'm getting off the server, bro. This thing gonna screw my mental. Bro, that was me experiencing Looksmaxxing servers for the first time. First and last time I'm ever doing that. That was so cooked. Thank you so much for watching. Like the video because I'm gonna be making more of these videos soon, so definitely like it. And yeah, I'll see you next video. Stay strong, stay smart, and yeah, I love you. I'll see you next video. Peace.